teachers, friends so dear. Happy Friday, the best day of the year. Second last day, can you believe? So many memories we will never leave. From ABC to 1, 2, 3, you helped us grow like a happy tree. Reading stories big and small, learning new words, we love them all. We learn with colors, shapes and songs. We learn what's right and what is wrong through pictures bright and smartboard light. Every lesson felt just right. Sometimes we learned by clapping hands, sometimes by making paper bands. Sometimes we worked in little teams, sharing ideas, building dreams. We learned by playing learning games, spelling words and writing names, acting stories, role play farce, building activity number 1. When we made mistakes, that's okay, because mistakes help us learn each day. You taught us how to try again, to use our heart, our mind, our brain. We read aloud with shining eyes, we asked questions, we felt wise. We saw problems step by step, promises of hard work we kept. From science facts to drawing art, each lesson touched our little heart. Counting numbers, learning rhymes, we enjoyed our classroom times. Our classroom was a happy place, full of smiles on every face. Friends who helped and shared their snack, kindness is what we always pack. Now summer holidays are near, but school will always stay right here, inside our minds, inside our heart, because learning is the smartest start. Happy Friday, loud and clear, we cheer for teachers we hold dear. Thank you for your love and care, for teaching us to dream and dare. Second last day,